Okay, I'm going to show you how to roast peanuts using a microwave. You take the peanuts onto a plate, which is microwave safe, and spread it like this. And then you have to adjust the settings of the microwave. I'm going to use a homemaker convection type of microwave oven to roast peanut. The settings, I will show you how to set the settings for the purpose. Keep your plate of peanuts inside the oven and then shut the door. So you have to select 80% of energy, so I'm going to do that. This is actually the maximum energy level is not that is too much, so this is 100% and I will go to 80% energy. So the other important thing is you have to set the time. I'm going to set the time here 9 minutes and 20 seconds. So the problem is if you go beyond that level, it will be too much. It even sometimes become charred. So I'm going to start it. I set it for 9 minutes and 20 seconds. So I'm going to start it. So easy. Okay, now it's partially done. It's done. Let's see how it is now. Yeah, it's done properly. Make sure that you have all these peanuts spread evenly, so otherwise it will get charred. And you can check the settings. You can change the settings according to your microwave, and if there's too much heat, so you can reduce the time period. You can reduce the power energy level further and increase the time a little bit. So by that way you can have nicely roasted tasty peanuts. You can do it at home, and it is better than what you buy from shops, the roasted states, because it contains a lot of other chemicals to make it keep it fresh. And this way you can prepare tasty roasted peanuts within less than 10 minutes. Okay, thank you.